Chiefs iwinile bafowethu, Chiefs iwinile bafowethu, kujabule ngisho amaxoxo abangomsindi emva kwendlaxokozela awusazi ukuthi kwenze njani. Ugesi awukho lana kumnyama asibonani, but into ebalulekile njengamanje ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs won 4-1 ibukise nge-Orbit College kabuhlungu kanjani nje, and i-Kaizer Chiefs bengascora at least 5, 6, 7, even 8 goals kuleya game namhlanje. Should they've been clinical in front of goals, the way Kaizer Chiefs articulating ngakhona noma translating ngakhona ama-instructions coach namhlanje was very impressive. Even ilokhunja selection your coach was very impressive for the Kaizer Chiefs. So congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. It's a big win and they deserve it. For the first time in the season, they scored 4 goals with Betway Premiership. That was very impressive. And they are back to top 3. They are number 2 njengamanje. So I'm hoping from this win, which is a confidence booster, they will build from this. We only Betway Premiership, not only with Betway Premiership, now we CAF Confederations Cup, because we know Kaizer Chiefs is one of the 2 teams that was made up with CAF Confederations Cup. So I'm hoping with that win, like a 4-1, they will be able to represent us very well. Kudos to him too. The only player who bafana with Kaizer Chiefs with that man of the match performance, Ivan Awista. Bafowethu Kista, Mfundo Vilakazi bafowethu Kista, Gaston Sirino Kista. So lawo ma-players oyi-3, as long as asakhona kwi-Kaizer Chiefs is going to be a threat. And they are likely to introduce uMabuweke manje as a number 6. A number 6 who can actually help with progressive line after a build-up phase, because they are struggling from that. Umthetho are mostly in defense, but Masakfanek progress you play even in a passing game. Sometimes it's not very good, but in terms of defense, it's giving them something to make sure that he shield impact line Kaizer Chiefs, because he shake with impact line. But to sometimes go just like bone logo, because he's so good to make sure that he shield that defense. So with Umthetho, basically they playing with 5 defenders. But sometimes they push right back here, then Barcelona 3 mover, then Umthetho attack, then go 4-4-2, but they push up full back here, right. But congratulations, they win here. That's what I wanted to say, because you cannot see me, guys. But don't forget to subscribe, share my content, and also like. This is for the football lovers. As long as the game is beautiful, I always come back here and give feedback on that game. We love beautiful football, and it's a course for life. The Glamour Boys are happy namhlanje. So they played a very beautiful game of football. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. We are hoping that you only build from this. Amakosa jabulile. Sonibona futhi on the next one. Bye bye. Sharp Akosi, sharp.